Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, and guess what? We have FOMC or interest rates from US. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. So I just woke up early so that you can get this a video as early as possible so that you can be up to date with the market. So before that, around 3:30, we have core PPI or PPI. So that might not really move the market that much. Even yesterday we had CPI, we did smash that, even though the market did reverse here and there, but we're already out. But what I like is Nasdaq did push the upside, US30 did push the upside, and that is something that we also sent in the group. So yeah, we're expecting FOMC later on 9 p.m. on my time zone. So it's going to be as good because I think this move today is just going to complement what we had yesterday. So CPI did not really move that much because FOMC was very close. Obviously, today it wasn't really, only a separation of few hours. So people are very scared of what will happen, especially on this conference 30 minutes after the rates are released, right? So we're gonna check the other ones tomorrow. Don't worry, we will see what will happen tomorrow. So by the way, you can be part of the team. Then we have this signal packages, 6 months, 12 months, and lifetime. So you can also give yourself that discount. You can let me know, Kenzo, I don't really afford this, but for those who just want to test the signal, it's only $24. But on this $24, guys, you can't join it twice. You can't say, I will join this 2 months, then after 2 months I join again. No, once you join, so if you want to join again, it means you're gonna maybe try 6 months, 12 months, or lifetime. I hope you understand that. So you can use this QR code to talk to me on WhatsApp, or use this number, or check the link in my description. You will find that. So on this 2 months also, for those who don't know, it's only going to be limited for only 20 people. I think only 2 yesterday joined, so it means we need like 18 people to join on this 24 months. Actually, for those who want to test. After that, we are focusing on 6, 12, and lifetime. Plus, you can talk to me about the discount. It's fine. So let's push to our daily analysis. So DXY, what's really happening on DXY? Let's see. What's really happening? What's happening? Okay. So you can see that, yes, we have a very nice structure. The market was doing what? The market was pushing up previously, but where we are now, we are on this resistance, and it seems like the market is still struggling to push higher. We see that the market is respecting this area of a resistance, which means we might see the market pushing even lower. You can see that at the end of the day, we might have something like this. So the market might be trying to create a structure like that because we are on a downtrend, even though we don't really have a proper structure, but maybe that is the start of the structure. So let me try to draw something. This is the dollar index, something like that. I think we might have something like that going further. You see, something like this. So that is what I'm expecting. So obviously I'm expecting to see a very nice push there, like another push. Let's see, maybe once the market respect this area again, we might see a nice sell, something like that, and that will mean that the dollar will be losing some momentum. I've been talking about that actually for this week, or for the past a few days. So it shows that CPI did not really push the market that much, but at the same time, what I like is it did not really give the dollar any positive vibes or any move to the upside. That was actually good. So let's push to the next one, GBP JPY. I will be skipping here very quick, but you can see that since the market did touch this area of a support, which I did not really see it after. I saw it after this crazy push here. So I never thought maybe the market was going to go there. But what I see is the market, yes, it's respecting that. Maybe the market will continue pushing even higher. So yeah, we will see what will happen, but make sure that you check this economic news from GBP or Euro USD, because I think there is interest rates from, I think tomorrow, interest rate from Great British Pound and also Europe. That might also change the way the market is moving. But by the way, you can do your analysis nicely. What I see here is, on my side, I don't see myself participating in this pair anytime. I'm waiting for a proper structure. Maybe we can draw something like a resistance there, but for now I don't really see anything. But I will wait and see. Maybe in few days we're gonna have proper structure that we can actually use. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, so that this video doesn't really take long. So what's really happening, we can see that yes, the market is it's still on that support. It's GBP USD. You can see that we had a trade. Yes, at least the market did push the upside. I did smash that. I did send even a video about that. So we see that the market is about to create a very nice uptrend. But just because we have FOMC today or later, let's say tonight, so maybe things might change. But I'm expecting to see a very nice push. But remember, we are playing around the support, so anything is possible. Maybe the market might break that, but if we don't really break that, I'm thinking about, I think the market will end up continuing with this uptrend. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you're already here, you know the streets of Xtrahot daily analysis, just smash that like button. So yeah, I'm still bullish on on GBP USD, as we are coming from a downtrend. So you can see here we also have this buy pending order. Let me remove that because I sent that yesterday. I think maybe everyone is already out, but I like the fact that the market is playing around the support. Let's hope that the market is going to respect that. Quite similar to what to Euro USD, we also had quite similar structure. But we did not really see a nice push. The market just pushed a little bit and then started to consolidate. But what do we see? We are coming from a nice downtrend. That's why we're expecting, you can see that we are coming from a very stronger downtrend. The market was creating something like this. That's why now we are thinking about doing what? The opposite direction, because since the market broke out of that downtrend, we are expecting to see the market changing the trend, and is doing that. But unfortunately, we have some crazy economic news along the way. That's why we see the market is pushing down, like not really moving that much. But I like this reversal. This might give us a very nice push to the upside. Maybe the market will just consolidate. Mostly it happens. The market might consolidate around this area until we have those economic news later on. Maybe we will see a push to the upside or a push to the lower side. But what I like is we have a nice support area that might push the market to the upside. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold, it was also on a very nice uptrend. Where we are, the market is creating a sort of a support area. So I'm not going to jump on this. I'm not going to jump on the market. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait, because you can see the market gave us something there, a sort of a support. You can see that the market, seems to be respecting that area, but on top there you can see that we have that structure. So what I can say is, don't just jump on the market. So wait for the market to do its thing. Wait for the market to break this area. If maybe you want to sell, I can say, you know what, since we see a breakout there, I see a nice retest, and the market already created something like a support. You can see we have touches there. Wait for the market to break this area before you continue selling, because there is a chance that the market can respect that and start to push the upside. That is possible. So try to wait. For us to buy, we can say, let's wait for the market to break this area, get out of that, so we can say maybe the market will be continuing pushing to the upside. But I think we're gonna have, if everything's gonna be clear after FOMC. Interest rates, guys, everyone is waiting for that. You know, CPI and interest rates, or FOMC, they go like this. They go together, guys. Why? Because the more the inflation is going down, that gives the FOMC, or Federal organization a chance to lower their interest rates or to pause them or not to increase. But if the prices are going up, they are forced to increase the prices. I mean, they are forced to increase the interest rates so that they can lower the circulation of money, so that those prices, they can actually go a little bit lower. You can see there, without besides saying anything, you can see we smashed that. Yes, we did smash that. Just imagine if you joined yesterday maybe with that $24 and you did take maybe US30. Let's say maybe you have a smaller account. You did take US30 and Nasdaq. Obviously, you recovered this $24. If you have a bigger account, obviously this amount you already very close, or maybe you just left with a week to recover that if you're not risking much. So scan this QR code if you want to be part of the team, and you can start to eat with us. So let's see. So the market was going down like previously month ago. So it was a very nice downtrend, which everyone saw. We did smash here and there. So now you can see a crazy breakout. The market is pushing to the upside. And you know what? We've been waiting for a nice retest. Maybe the market will retest, but that is not happening. That is not happening. But it's fine because we understand the market. Guess what? The signal was sent and we did smash. Check where the take profit was. Guess what? Since the market got in inside this profit, the market never even went even lower. So that was a quite straightforward signal for me or for my people in the group. So yeah, I'm expecting to see some nice eating. Maybe we might have maybe a nice rejection before we see another continuation, or I'm just waiting for the market to create something. Create something there. Maybe we will break that, or maybe the market will try to reverse, but we are ready to take another one later on. So yeah, that's what, and I sent this, I think, before the news. Yeah, I think I sent this before the news. So I hope everyone is happy. I saw someone said, Kenzo, I just doubled my account, and that was very good. That was very good. So what's really happening on Nasdaq, you can also see that, yes, we are coming from quite similar structures, similar to what we saw on US30. We had a nice consolidation after that breakout, and we have another breakout. So on Nasdaq yesterday, we also had some very nice profits, but it was a bit slower. You can see here that, yes, we had a buy pending order. The market was in a nice profit, pushed a little bit up, then went back to our A3. Guess what? The market then pushed the upside, which means we are eating. Also, we never had any crazy negative there. The market was floating around our entry, then before pushing up again. That was great because it was after the news, but the market was a bit quicker. So I'm just waiting for a nice, maybe smaller reversal, or maybe for the market to create another resistance that I can use, because we work with support and resistance. If maybe it creates something like that, it's fine. After the breakout, we can take that buy, or maybe the market will go down around the support. We can also take that buy. But since we have FOMC later on, things might be quite slower. Now things might be way too slow, but I think it's going to be obvious they're not going to increase the rates. But the problem is we have to listen to the speech. Are they going to cut the rates next year? Or maybe are they going to just pause with the rate? Or maybe they think maybe along the way they are going to increase the interest rates. That is going to be interesting, because that speech or that conference might change everything for the good or for the bad. But you know what? We are going to follow the market structure. We're not just going to think 1, 2, 3. We're just going to listen. And if we're supposed to buy, we will buy. And if maybe we're supposed to sell, we will do so. We are not forced to follow one direction, right? So German 30, not nice. The structure has been pushing up very aggressive. You can see S&P 500 there. We also smashed. So I don't think there's much to explain there. Quite similar to Nasdaq. The market just broke out, waiting for a retest. So guys, for those who want to be part of the team, because these are 2023 prices, so that means we are going to still increase. Why? Because the value is going up, we're not going back. So get your lifetime signals, just join and forget, then start to eat with us. $350 and 12 months $250, 6 months $150 for those who wants to test, but this is limited for 18 people because 2 people joined. So yeah, it means if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.